Question 6. A random sample of 200 Canadian students were asked about their hand dominance and whether they suffer from allergies. Here are the results. All right, so allergies is just yes, no, right? Two levels of that variable. Hand dominance is ambidextrous, left or right, so we have three levels for that variable. What can you conclude about the relationship between hand dominance and allergies? All right, so I'm looking at all these answer choices, and I can see that each of them lists a p-value. Okay, so we probably want to throw this data into our calculator, run the chi-square test, and get the p-value. Unfortunately, I'm not able to display my calculator here, so you're just going to have to follow me as I describe what I'm doing off screen. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm opening up the matrix menu, and I'm going to create a 3x2 matrix, and then I'm going to put these observed counts in matrix A. All right, so to get to the matrix menu, you press second, and then the X-1 button. You scroll to the right to the edit submenu, choose matrix A, and we're going to go 3x2, and then start typing in all the data. So 12, 7, 11, 9, 95, and 66. Okay. All right, from here we're going to run our chi-square test, right? Because the data is presented in a two-way table, this is either a chi-square test for homogeneity or a chi-square test for independence. You can kind of tell by looking at the answer choices that it's they all say like independence or association, so it's going to be that one there. All right, test, chi-square test. Okay, shouldn't have to change the defaults. It should already say observed matrix A, expected matrix B. We just need to hit calculate. All right, so our chi-square test statistic is, well, we don't care so much about the test statistic, we just want the p-value. Okay, so running the chi-square test produces a p-value of 0.87. All right, so eliminate A and eliminate D. Might as well eliminate E because you can perform a chi-square test. Okay, so let's read B. Using a test for association / independence, there is convincing evidence because the the p-value would have to be very low to have convincing evidence. So B is not correct. So C better be correct. Using a test for association / independence, there is not convincing evidence, right? Because our p-value is larger than 5% or any reasonable significance level. Not convincing evidence to conclude that there's a relationship between hand dominance and allergies. Yes.